Hey everybody, welcome to my latest video, which is a Sunday morning routine and my little rituals that help me stay super productive and ready for the week ahead. I'm going to share this little Sunday morning routine with you. Lots of cleaning and housework and chores, and hopefully it'll get you motivated. More than I was at the start of the video. Clint took the boys out to have breakfast with a friend of his and some kids, and it was just me in the house, and to be honest I could have easily sat down on the sofa and just watched Netflix, but I didn't. I put on a timer for 30 minutes. I am so much more productive and I know there's a timer, and I got to it. So the first thing I like to do on a Sunday is change the bedding. I'm starting in our bedroom. I've taken off the dirty sheets and I'm going to put on some fresh bedding on our bed, and then I'll move into the boys' bedrooms and I will do the same thing. I noticed that our bedding was super creased from the cupboard, so I got some Lenore crease release. This stuff is a real miracle worker if you look at the sheet now, and then when I'm finished in just a couple of minutes, it really is amazing at getting out those tough creases that happen when you put bed sheets in the cupboard. Okay, now that our bedroom is all done, I'm going to move into my youngest son's bedroom first. I need to tidy up before I do anything else. He's got toys out everywhere from the weekend, so I'm just going to have a little tidy up, and then I'm going to repeat my ritual and I'm going to change his bed sheets. Sorry, Peppa. Apologies if you can hear purring. Our kitten Penny has just joined me on my lap, but I thought this would be a good time to talk about how it's going, having our toddler bed. A lot of people ask me about if it's going well, if he's getting out of the bed. It is going amazing. He has not got out of his bed once. He had one bad night on the first night, and that was because we faced the bed the wrong way. And when we turned it round so that it was facing the way that his cot used to face, he has slept amazingly ever since. He really is a star with staying in his bed. And this is my eldest son's room. I have changed his bedding as well. It is such a pain to change the bedding on his bed because he has a really high cabin bed from IKEA, and it's really, really awkward. So I change as much as I can down on the floor, and then I sort of chuck it up there. But the next job on my rituals list is to do a bit of laundry. There is a big basket of clean laundry here that needs to be put away. So I'm going to put everything into piles for each person. That way it'll be much quicker to put it all away in the right places. Now that the clean laundry is put away, I'm going to start a new load. It is a school week next week, so I'm actually going to do a whitewash and put some school shirts in the wash ready for school next week. So I'm going to take all of this downstairs into the laundry room and I'm going to start a wash. But of course I've walked in here and realised that there is more washing on the line that I completely forgot to take down, so that's brilliant. I'll do that first. I'll just pull the line down, fold all of this up, put this in a pile and take this back upstairs. It's slightly annoying because I've just put all the clean laundry away, but it's my fault for not checking. Okay, now that that's sorted, I can get on with putting on a new load. I'm going to get a washing tablet and a cup of fabric softener and put those in the drum before I put any of the clothes in there. Obviously, I put it in and it missed, which it always does first time. There's a bit of realistic influence the life for you. It never goes in the first time. But I've put everything in the drum that I need to put in there, and I'm also going to put in a little bit of stain powder because my son's school shirts are always covered in stains, let's be honest. And I'm going to put this wash on. I love the sound of the washing machine. It makes me feel so productive. Into the kitchen now, and I need to empty the dishwasher. This is all clean. I wish it was as quick as that, but it did take a bit longer. I'm now going to put everything that was in the sink into the dishwasher so that the sink is empty and clear. And that means I have a clear surface to just wipe down the kitchen sides. I'm just going to use a surface spray and a cloth and just give them a quick once over because my timer, I actually think at this point my timer had run out. I think I did go over by 5 minutes or so, so I knew I didn't have much time left. I thought I'll just really quickly wipe down the surfaces because I'll feel so much more relaxed once I know it's done. Just got to turn these bottles around because my brain just can't cope with stuff like that. And here she is, the little one who you can hear purring on all my voiceovers from now on. I am done, my time has run out, I've done my little productive Sunday morning routine. I'm going to have a shower and wash my hair and wait for the boys to get home. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.